Hello everyone. In last class we have studied about the measurement and instrumentation. In that we have seen the various units and dimension. What are the standard of measurement that we have discussed. In this lecture we are going to see the measurement errors. So when we are doing the measurement, generally the three types of error occurs. First is absolute error, second is relative error, and the third one is limiting error. So first is absolute error. There is always difference between the true value and the measured value. So as I told you in previous classes that when we are measuring some quantity, so we are always comparing that quantity to certain type of standard value, or that standard value is known as a true value. So if the that true value is defined with the help of A, and the measured value of that quantity is defined by AM, so the difference of AM and A, or the difference of true value and measured value, is known as the absolute error. It is defined by the del A, or it can be defined by the epsilon naught. So that is the value of absolute error. So the absolute error is the difference between the measured value and the true value. If measured value is represented by AM and the true value is represented by A, the difference of this is AM minus A. It is represented by the epsilon naught, that is known as the absolute error. Now the second is a relative error or percentage error. So what is relative error actually? The relative error is the ratio of the absolute error to the true value of quantity to be measured. That means it is represented by epsilon r. The relative error is the ratio of the absolute error. What it is absolute error? Absolute error is epsilon naught, or it is represented by del A. It is the difference between the measured value and the true value of the measured quantity. So it is the ratio of absolute error to the true value of the quantity to be measured. So the absolute error is del A. We have found out that absolute error, and the true value of quantity is A. We have considered that it is represented by capital A. So the del A by A is the relative error, and del A is also can also be represented by epsilon naught. So it can also be written as a epsilon naught A, epsilon naught divided by A, or it can be represented by ratio of absolute error to the true value. Now suppose in the measurement the absolute error is negligible. Absolute error is negligible, that means del A will be negligible. That means AM will be equal to A. That means when we are measuring something, we are very close to the true value, or we are very close to the standard value of measurement. So in that case absolute error will be negligible. In that case AM will be equal to A. So what is the value of what is the value of relative error in that case? So relative error can be represented by epsilon r is equal to del A by AM, because A is equal to AM can be equivalent to A, because the difference of these two is 0 or negligible. So absolute error, relative error can be represented by epsilon r is equal to del A by AM. Now percentage error, percentage relative error can be find out by when we multiplied that relative error and multiplied by 100. So it can be written as del r into 100, or epsilon naught A by A into 100. Now the third one is limiting error or guarantee error. What it is? When you take any equipment or any instrument from any shop, you are having certain type of limiting, that key what are the deflection with respect to the full scale deflection of the equipment. So accuracy of the equipment with limiting deviation from some specified value. the full scale value of that instrument with compensation of certain range. So we can see that with the help of example. So what is the limiting error? Accuracy of the equipment with some limiting deviation from some specified value. And what is limiting error? That is the limits of this deviation from specified value is known as the limiting error or guarantee error. Every shopkeeper, when you take any equipment or any instrument from any shop, there is always a guarantee, and guarantee is what? The compensation or the with respect to full scale deflection or certain type of specified value or standard value of equipment within the range of certain type of deflection. Suppose you can easily understand by the example. Suppose we have taken a ammeter from the shopkeeper and it is having the range from 0 to 25 ampere. Now the full scale deflection of ammeter is 25 ampere. Full scale deflection of ammeter is 25 ampere. So it is, suppose the shopkeeper told that, or the instrument guarantee is in the guarantee to be accurate within plus minus 2%. That means what? The full scale reading of ammeter is 25 ampere. So 2% of this will be 25 into 2 by 100. That will be equal to 0.5 ampere. That means the full scale rotation can be within the range of plus minus 2%, and that plus minus 2% in the unit is equal to, or in the numerical unit is equal to 0.5 ampere. So that is known as the limiting error. In the next class we are going to see some numerical related to this type of errors. Thank you.